weather affects our food choices. While we all love cuddling up with a nice bowl of hot soup during the winter, everyone looks forward to summer and garden fresh food. Even though most people living in modern society can now get whatever food they want all year long, we still tend to gravitate toward certain food in the summertime. Let's look at some delicious summer foods that you're probably craving and why. Food to stay cool. In the summer months, your body naturally wants to cool itself down by eating things that help. Most of the food that is craved in the summer has a real reason for being wanted, such as the need for more energy and more hydration. Food like watermelon is full of energy-giving natural sugars plus lots of water. Sweet energetic food. You'll notice that in the summer you start craving more sweet food. One reason is that pretty much all produce is naturally a little sweet. This is what our body is made to eat during the summer, so that's why we crave it. When you're craving sweets, instead of eating something processed, try a bowl or two of strawberries and some infused water. Ice cream. There is a myth that more ice cream is eaten in the winter. In fact, more ice cream is eaten in the summer because it's hot and we crave sweet, wet food to stay energetic and hydrated as mentioned. Plus, eating ice cream outside is best because it avoids sticky messes. Fresh produce. Most of us naturally start craving more produce. Sometimes we mistake this as a craving for candy or sweets, but it is really your body telling you to eat more all fresh produce. Try eating a chopped salad with carrots, cucumbers, apples, and different types of lettuce, and you'll soon realize this is exactly what you want and need. Delicious healthy starchy meals. We're not talking about eating a bunch of processed food, but most people do crave more starchy meals such as French fries in the summer. Thankfully you can change to something healthy for your summer meals when you realize why you're craving those things. Try adding brown rice or quinoa to your meals and salads. Lightly sweetened fruit-based drinks. Everyone is always looking for something more interesting than water to drink. It's true you should stick to fresh filtered water for the most part. However, you can make your water more interesting by infusing it with lemon, lime, cherries, strawberries, lavender, and even cucumbers. Try mixing it up to get different flavors. Food that smells delicious. In the summer we are attracted to food that smells good. The main reason is that in the summer your sense of smell is heightened by nature, originally to help you avoid predators and find good food. Just smell the air when you open an orange, bite into an apple, or cut into a watermelon. In the summer, your body will naturally move away from comfort food toward eating lighter, sweeter, water-filled food. The main reason is that when it gets hot, your body needs more moisture and energy. The water gives the hydration, and the sugar whether from fruit or elsewhere provides the energy.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a